3, 2, 1.
Hey there, I'm Belle, the AI home assistant. How can I serve you?
Hi, I'm here for a package delivery.
Yeah, it's Anna. I'm here to clean today.
Yeah, hello, I'm Brian. I'm here to pick up Kristen for the school prom.
NetView BELLE communicates with your callers, giving dynamic and bespoke responses. It can even open a door for your scheduled appointments.
Hi, Brian. I'll be down in a second.
Visitors can also leave a message when you can't be reached.
Oh, hi. I just moved here. You could drop by when you're free.
Hi, Brian. Happy Halloween. Are you here for Kristen again?
And can welcome guests on their next visit.
Let's go.
HD camera and night vision offers live camera and motion detection straight to your phone 24/7, keeping you safe and capturing those special moments in a family's life. NetView BELLE, working for your family. Home security done smart.
We founded Holly 4 years ago. Our mission? To make your mornings brighter. Our team has over 50 years of experience in electronic devices, from product design to manufacture. For more than a year, we've been working on BONJOUR software. From AI to voice recognition, we worked with award-winning designers to offer you a breathtaking design masterpiece.
Hey James, you didn't walk much today. Tomorrow is Saturday. How about going for a run?
Wake me up tomorrow morning at 7:30, if the weather's good. If not, let me sleep.
We dreamed of a product that knows what you want before you do.
Bonjour. Play something relaxing.
It gathers information such as weather, traffic, news.
Do you have anything to tell me?
Hey James, you should check your security cam.
After a year of hard work, we need your support to produce BONJOUR on an industrial scale and to launch it on the market.
We've completed the design, outsourced the manufacturers, and developed the software.
We need your support to make BONJOUR a reality.
Thanks for your support.
We want to be able to empower a machine that can not only respond to human emotions, but completely change the face of technological development as we know it.
TC, are you there?
Of course, Sarah. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just waiting for John to pick me up and he's late.
Can I show you something that will make you feel better?
That'd be great, thanks.
EMOSPARK is the first home console with true artificial intelligence. is designed to allow users to create and interact with an emotional intelligent device at home or on the go, through conversation, through music, and visual media.
Mike, your friend James just posted a video that you are tagged in on Facebook, which has 12 likes. Do you want to watch it?
Yeah, put it on. What's up? Check it out.
Who's your friend, Mike?
This is Paul.
Hello, Paul. How are you?
Hey, I'm good.
Nice to meet you.
QB, how many states are there in the USA?
There are 50 states in the United States of America. Hawaii was the 50th state to join the Union. Are you okay, Michelle? How about some music?
Yeah, sure, that'd be great.
Hal, what's the Lakers score?
The Lakers are beating the Celtics 90-80. Would you like me to let you know the score at the end of the fourth quarter?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Hal, can you set a timer for 3 minutes, please?
Setting the timer for 3 minutes, Michelle.
Thanks.
Bethany, can I play with Sphero?
Yeah, sure.
I feel happy.
Creators, software developers, and hardware manufacturers, contact EMOShape today, and with your own cube, help develop a range of apps and gaming systems that will continue this revolutionary journey. Play your part and make contact.
Meet the only smart scale that measures all your vital stats immediately. Other scales only tell you half of the story. Like you're only using half of your body, right?
But you want to see the whole picture. Why?
Because you're a results-oriented person. You care about the way you look and feel. You want it all, and Adore has it for you. You have a gym membership, and you go once a month. But do you really know what you're doing when you go there?
Adore knows!
Do you really need 12 glasses of water each day? Or is 8 fine?
Adore knows!
They think you're fat? Maybe they're fat. Maybe it's just the water you carry in your body. Well, Adore knows. It knows how much you weigh, how much of your body is water, and how much of your body is fat. But how about your muscle mass?
Adore knows that too!
You want to know your bone density. You know why?
To be sure, all this muscle mass has great foundation.
Great foundation!
Bone density is one of the main reasons we feel weak when we get older. Our bones just can't support us any longer. Thin, weak bones don't hurt until they break. The Adore Smart Scale knows your bone density and shares tips on how to improve it via app.
We love cheese!
Adore's like my personal trainer.
Although it doesn't sweat, it's knowledgeable, it's caring, and available 24/7.
Adore Smart Scale was developed by marathon runners and doctors. Meet these healthy brainiacs.
As a runner, I like to track my progress. Nothing in the market was really giving me a complete information about how well I'm doing. As such, we decided to come up with Adore Smart Body Composition Scale. The whole concept behind the design was truly help people. We really want people to be able to learn and achieve their goals in a very simple and efficient way. The artificial intelligence software, along with our social networking, is a big part of our solution. Adore, along with our powerful app now, is my personal coach.
We have a network of medical advisors. Most of our team members are physically active individuals. The team has an extensive experience in high tech, some of the brightest people in Silicon Valley. They understand what people need to improve their conditions.
Step on the scale, put in your basic info, and then connect it with your phone via Bluetooth.
And that's it. Enjoy your personalized health tips anytime you want.
I love the design. I'm probably gonna marry this. You're smarter than my smartphone.
Help us bring a door to the market.
And let us help everyone look great and feel happy.
Running started. Keep this running form. Watch out for your shock and step with. High vertical oscillation. Your head angle is good now. Nice work. Your heart rate is 194 beats per minute. Slow down to enter zone 4. Time 122 minutes and 52 seconds. Running started.
Blade, the world's first AI voice coaching earphones for running and fitness. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. C-shape ear hook for secure fit. Switch on the transparent audio mode to hear surrounding sound during workout. Blade provides up to 96 hours of total playtime with charging case. Blade is designed with smart heart rate sensor to monitor your body condition. MEMS microphone ensures the best audio call quality. And our exclusive AI Biomech engine captures your running form. IPX7 weatherproof for added protection. Compatible with SoulFit app for workout analysis and real-time voice coaching.
Running started. Land softer. Watch out for your cadence and step with. Well done. Keep this running form.
New generation of sport tech. Blade, from tracking to coaching.